Guys, welcome back to another event of my fleet, guys. Come over. You gotta go. Looking nice, very nice. Very. Moto lead. Just finish up this build. I'll set it up, guys. That was the first flight for me, and cool. Yeah.
So what, do you have a curve on the, what? Just start, you have a curve on the start that just goes?
Yeah, and then it gets replaced with the governor as the governor comes in. So there's a separate curve that's controlled by the trim switch. So the throttle, the stick does nothing. And then slide the governor gets it.
that?
That was me just losing power.
Hold on, it's ramping back up. Just losing power?
I think I lost the RPM sensor. I have a feeling it's RPM. Why is it still running? Okay. Oh, no.
Blade is good.
Collapsed the gear, didn't it? The front looks like.
No, that blade's loose. You're fine.
What's the blade look like underneath? Man,
They
that's
look
doable.
They look fine.
The main blade is fine.
Little CA.
It's just a tail blade.
Oh yeah, I caught the tail blades and the tail fin. That's it.
Oh, good. That's not bad.
Dude, that's a save. I'll take it.
Yeah, hell yeah. There's another little piece.
Considering it cut on me at a weird point, I have a feeling it's a governor sensor.
You know what? It's got a governor, right? Sensor?
It's got a Kenny Co sensor on it. Yeah.
Okay.
The RPM. Either I threw a magnet or lost a sensor. I always have problems with those stupid sensors.